Hello guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how we can use a very useful tool that is called as Goal Seek. So let's get started with today's video. So I have taken an example. For example, I want to take a loan of rupees 1 lakh and the interest rate is, for example, 8% and the term that the term is 120 months, so that is 10 years. So I will repay the loan in 120 months, that is in 10 years I will return the loan. Okay, so I want to calculate the EMI amount. So for that you can go here to the formulas tab, and here you can go to the financial section, and here you can search for PMT function. So here it is PMT, and you have to provide some arguments. Okay, so rate here is 8%. okay, so I have selected and we have to divide it by 12. okay, because it is going to be yearly. okay, and then this is the number of payments for the loan, so it is 120 in my case, and this is the principal or the total amount. okay, so it is 1 lakh rupees, and I am hitting an OK. So you can see here the EMI amount is calculated, but it is negative. So just go here to the formula bar and add minus sign. okay, and go give an enter. So you can see I have got the amount, that is rupees 1213.28. so this much amount I have to pay monthly for 120 months. So after paying this much amount, I will be able to repay my loan, which is at 8% interest rate. okay, so this is how I have calculated the EMI amount. But my budget is really tight and I cannot afford this much EMI amount. My budget is rupees 1000 for the EMI amount. okay, so now what I will do is I will change these values for loan amount, interest rate and term in months manually to adjust the EMI amount to rupees 1000. okay, but that is a very manual process and I don't want to do all that. So what I can do is I can use Goal Seek tool in Excel for all these calculations. okay, so go to data, and in data you have this what if analysis, which is under forecast section. You will find this what if analysis and just expand it, so you will see this Goal Seek tool. okay, so we will use this Goal Seek tool to calculate our EMI amount. okay, I mean to calculate all these values. okay, so right now I will just select it. okay, so a small window like this will appear in front of us, and now we can set this it is asking like set the cell, so I have selected this. okay, G3. I want to change this value. okay, so set to value 1000. My budget is 1000. I want 1000 EMI amount by changing cell. So what value should be changed, it is asking. So either we can change the loan amount or interest rate or term, either of the three we can select, but the problem here is only one value can be selected. okay, so right now I am giving this one. okay, loan amount, that is C3. so by adjusting the loan amount I will get the EMI amount as 1000 rupees. okay, and giving an OK. So yeah, so you can see here Goal Seeking with cell G3 found a solution. okay, target value is 1000, current value is also 1000. so you can see here, okay, I'm giving an OK. So you can see here when my EMI amount is 1000 rupees, my loan amount is changed to 82,000 rupees, 82,421 rupees, and the interest rate is same, that is 8%, and term is also same, that is 120 months. So as the EMI amount was 1200 rupees, 1200 something rupees earlier, but I have decreased the EMI amount, so that is why loan amount is also decreased to 82,000 rupees. So this is how Excel has calculated the loan amount for us when we have given our input, that is EMI input. So this way Excel has calculated. Similarly we can change. I'm changing it to 1 lakh again. Here you can see the EMI is 12,000. sorry, 1213 rupees. Okay, so now I am again going to goal seek and G3. Okay, to value I am giving 1000 rupees, and by changing cell, suppose I am taking this. Okay, yeah, so you can see now that the interest rate is changed to 3.74%. So you can see that when the EMI has come down, so the interest rate has also come down. Okay, so this is how Excel has calculated everything. Okay, so this is how you can play with the numbers, try experimenting, and this is how goal seek is very useful. And this is how we are going to learn about more such tools in the coming videos, like solver and more such tools. So please stay tuned for all those videos, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.